Hey YouTube, I want to ask your help on what should be on my channel. It could be anything, but I don't think you want to see me dance because I sucked at it, and I don't want to show you now because it's too early in the morning. But anything besides that and juggling, I can't do that either. But I want to ask, and you can leave it in the comment down below, and I will look forward to see your ideas and maybe use them if you like. But if you don't have any ideas, then I have to come up with something myself. But I want to ask you. So see, I draw this emo kitty something. It hasn't all had to do with Hello Kitty, but you know these emo guys, and so Hello Kitty, I smashed them together. So leave a comment what you think about my drawing, but I have to tell you I have an illness that make my hands sick, so when I do this I may be using the web camera or get my little sister to film it, and sometimes I would do it myself, but I have to see. I look forward to your ideas, and Hero Horse is out. I have to go to school now. See ya.